The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. A delightful Walt Disney statement to make you contemplate getting everything rolling with your objectives. These objectives characterize a course for your life. However, talk alone is modest. Activities and your outcomes have the most effect. We discussed the significance of the method for getting everything rolling is to stop talking and start doing. Through this interaction, we discussed the primary reasons which keep us away from making a move and the significance of anticipating procedure and achievement. The method for getting everything rolling is to stop talking and start doing. The significance of this statement is somewhat direct. It simply focuses to what's generally significant. Anybody can deliver an incredible discourse and discuss every one of the magnificent methodologies you can follow. Be that as it may, there's a ton of contrast among arranging and doing. Sooner or later, the discussions of progress or techniques are inane. You need to set that in motion and make it work. On the off chance that you're not ready to demonstrate your discussion by activities and results, the world will lose trust in you. What's more, in any event, for you to fabricate your certainty, no one but results can give you that. As Walt Disney the method for beginning statements says, little activities and results provide you the vital guidance. Just the activities make the biggest difference throughout everyday life. If you have any desire to demonstrate something to yourself or the remainder of the world, show the outcomes. These outcomes will represent themselves. Talking an excessive amount of won't ever take you to the spots that you want. It will not do anything separated from burning through some important season of yours. Certain individuals just discussion about their life. Likewise, they imagine that they have accomplished a ton of things in their day-to-day existence. However, in actuality, they are only failures. In this way, ideal for you is to quit discussing your objectives and begin dealing with it. The main way will bring you achievement. On the off chance that you can't begin at the present time, ensure that you won't arrive at up to your objective. Indeed, we can comprehend that talking is a fundamental type of correspondence. In any case, unnecessary of anything isn't great. To be exact, extreme talking channels generally your energy. Furthermore, therefore, you can't put forth much attempt to accomplish your objectives. Consequently, the time has come to hush up and begin taking care of your responsibilities. Regardless of the fact that it is so difficult to accomplish your objectives, you can make it. Furthermore, after you have arrived at the ideal progress in your life, nobody will prevent you from talking.